This is a story about two people. Same country. Same economy. Same opportunities. But two very different paths. One started young. The other waited. And what happened next might just change the way you think about time, money, and your future. Let me introduce you to Daniel and Emily. Daniel was 18. Just out of high school. He wasn't a genius. He didn't get rich overnight. He worked part-time while going to community college. No fancy degree. No secret weapon. But he made one smart decision early. He opened a brokerage account and started investing. Just $200 a month. Sometimes less. But every single month, no matter what, he put money in. He didn't try to beat the market. He didn't pick hot stocks. He just bought an index fund, like VU, and left it alone. By age 30, Daniel had invested for 12 years. He had put in around $28,000. His account? Worth over $50,000. Now let's meet Emily. Emily was smart. Driven. Successful. She went to college, got a solid job, and climbed the corporate ladder. But she was busy. Bills. Rent. Travel. Life. I'll invest later, she told herself. And she did, at age 35. She started with $500 a month, more than Daniel ever did. She was consistent, disciplined, focused. But she was 17 years behind. Let's fast forward. By age 65, retirement age, here's what happened. Daniel stopped investing completely at age 30. He never put in another dollar. His total investment, $28,000. Emily invested $500 a month from age 35 to 65. That's 30 years of contributions. Her total investment, $180,000. Guess who had more money? Surprisingly, Daniel did. At age 65, Daniel's account was worth around $750,000. Emily's account was worth about $600,000. Why? Because Daniel gave his money something that Emily couldn't buy: time. The power of time. Time is the most powerful force in wealth building. It's more important than how much you invest. It's more important than where you invest. It's more powerful than intelligence, income, or timing. Because of compound growth. Money makes money. Then that money makes more money. And the longer it compounds, the faster it snowballs. Daniel gave his money 47 years to grow. Emily gave hers 30. Even though she invested 6 times more, she still couldn't catch up. But what if Emily had started early? Let's rewind. If Emily had started at 18, even just $100 per month, she could have had over $1 million by age 65. She didn't need to be rich. She didn't need to be lucky. She just needed to start. That's the point. So, who are you in this story? Are you Daniel, young, maybe broke, but with time on your side? Then the best thing you can do is start now, even if it's $50 per month. Because time is your advantage. You don't need to catch up, you just need to stay consistent. Or are you Emily, older, making more, but feeling like you missed your shot? Here's the truth. It's not too late, but you need to act now. You can still build 6 figures. You can still retire with dignity. You can still create freedom, if you stop waiting. What you can do today is step 1. Open a brokerage account: Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, or even Robinhood. Step 2. Pick one simple fund: VU, SCHD, or VT, all great starting points. Step 3. Set up automatic investments. Even $100 per month is powerful over time. Step 4. Let it grow. Don't panic when markets drop. Don't chase the next hot stock. Just stay the course. One last thing, Daniel didn't do anything magical. He just started. And then, he let time take over. Emily did everything right, except for one thing: she waited. And that made all the difference. So ask yourself, are you still waiting? Because 5 years from now, you'll look back at this moment, and you'll either say, that's when I started, or that's when I kept waiting. Start now. Build the habit. And let your future self thank you. Warning: this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.